Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X8A and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Now let's localize this option, so Backup and Restore, and find this Google Backup section. Here let's tap on Backup Account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. It may take a while, so be patient, no worries. Right here in this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it and tap on Next. Right here, we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. All right, now let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so we can read it, of course. Just tap on it and there you've got the info. And then tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the information about the backup and synchronizing the device contacts. It's up to you, I don't want to do it right now. Here we've got also the backup and storage section information, so you are able to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. So just tap on accept, and actually here we've got the same information. We are able to use 15 gigabytes of the Google account to back up all of this stuff. You can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on. And as you can see, we just successfully added our backup account to this device. Let me tap on it and check whether we can enter another section. Unfortunately not, but that's still okay. Here you can be sure that we just successfully turned on the backup. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.